Ever had that sinking feeling of losing your keys? In Bethesda, Maryland, this family did. A lost key meant sleepless nights, fearing the unknown. But they took control with MacArthur Locks Doors. You see, it's not just about locks for us. It's about peace of mind. Our expert suggestion? Lock rekeying. Keep your lock. Change its mechanism. That's swift and affordable. And those lost keys? Now, they're just useless metal. So don't wait for the unexpected. With MacArthur Locks Doors, invest in peace. Call us today at 202-760-4589 or visit www.macarthurlocksanddoors.com.